Thanks for joining us on Valley News Live. As we glide through the 10 o'clock hour, we can put this one in the books as we begin March. I guess we could call it like a lion. It was roaring in today with wind and snow and dangerous travel conditions. But things have really shaped up a little bit. Looking in on the Devil's Lake Basin, some stars showing up out there in the skies as well. Currently out at Hector International, temperature falling very quickly. It's 8 below zero. We've got this fresh snow. We've got clear skies. The winds now under 10 miles per hour. These are optimal conditions for some pretty rapid cooling heading into the overnight hours. So we're watching this. How low will we go? Well, you know, as a matter of fact, look at that dew point temperature. It's -10. And one thing in meteorology about what the definition of the dew point is, the air temperature cannot fall below that reading. But the problem is that dew point can go lower too. But that said, it's going to get kind of cold in a few of these places as we go through the overnight hours. 3 below right now in Grand Forks. No snow for you this round, as we had maybe a few flurries, and that's about it. Northwest winds 6 miles per hour, feels like 15 below zero. 12 below with the foot of snow in Jamestown. A late report to our station from Facebook. Thanks for all of your reports. To the north of you, we got upwards of 15 inches of snow. That's what we heard of in Horace as well. So that I-94 corridor picking up a blossoming amount of snow, upwards of a foot or even more. There's pockets of elevated snow totals in Bismarck picking up another foot of snow, as they are, as we showed you earlier, well over 75 inches for the season. We'll see how they do as we head through the next few rounds of snow. Yes, I said few rounds of snow. There's more on the way. A little bit of snow shower activity in Duluth. Big swath of clear skies over us now. And again, clear skies, calm winds allows for our heat to escape to space. And the snow banks, they help to, well, the fresh snow, rob the moisture right out of there. So the dew point's going to come down. Temperature's going to go down. And on the way towards daybreak, we're going to be around 10 below zero. Maybe even colder in some of our areas with this deep snow. I do think we'll see that here. I think these numbers are too promising out in Lakes Country. You're going to be sub-zero as well. So a chilly start, and that's air temperatures. The pink digits here, right on the money here, 20 to 30 below for most areas for wind chills with light winds in the morning. Here's how things change tomorrow. We're going to have an increase in clouds. Yes, there's a chance of some flakes, but nothing like we saw today. We can handle it. I'm telling you, we can handle it. So you take a look at the south winds, though, they pick up. Blue means 15 to 25. Green means greater than 25 mile per hour winds. So it's going to be wind chilly all day. Temperature is going to warm 15 to 20 degrees. But these winds, here's the problem. All of the snow from the north winds from today's winter storm, well, it blew the snow and drifted things on the south side of our roads. Tomorrow, wind switcheroo coming from the other direction. All of our east-west oriented roads that had problems during the storm could very well be drifting back in and stay icy throughout the day as a result. I'm not saying they'll be closed. I'm saying they will be icy travel across the region as we head through your Thursday. So keep that in mind as you go through. A cool one, but not nearly as cold tomorrow night, as we are heading in the correct direction. 9 below zero first thing in the morning in Fargo. In the 6 o'clock hour, we'll bottom out around 10 below. Then we'll see temperatures rising to close to 20. We will have a peak of sunshine or two. I cannot rule out a renegade flurry as the wind really picks up in the afternoon. Remember, a little extra hair gel tomorrow. These yellow arrows indicate gusts over 25 miles per hour, as most of us will be in the teens. A few of us will be in the low to mid 20s. None of us will melt a lot of snow. Watch for slippery roads. I got nothing to say to this. We had just enough of this drifting. Oxbow, thanks for all your photos, by the way. They've been magnificent to scroll through. You can do the same at valleynewslive.com. And you can upload your photos directly from the Valley News Live weather app. All right, very cold tomorrow. We're going in the right direction with temperatures near or in the low 30s for the weekend. Sunday, a chance of snow into Monday. It could be measurable now, the way things are looking, as there's been some changes in the past couple of model runs. We'll keep you posted. Not like today's system, but still, it's something to contend with. And having a chat with a few folks around town, and I've got to say, this weather has been no treat. In fact, it's got a new meteorological term for it. You ready?
Yeah. Okay.
Excrement extravaganza.
That's a scientific term for
yes.
it. Thanks, Hutch.
Yep.
Hey, we got a number of calls about this into our newsroom tonight. Did you see this?
I did.
This calls from everywhere. These are two lights in the western sky. That is Jupiter on your left, Venus on your right. Two planets appear very close to each other.